Hi guys, this is Chef Morris Danzen from chefmorrisdanzen.com, and today we're gonna turn our favorite Filipino breakfast into an extremely delicious chicken Tocino burger. It's not gonna be just a normal chicken burger, but we're gonna pair it with a really nice and fresh green apple coleslaw. We're gonna add some of our fermented chili. It's the gochujang paste, and that will make it very interesting. So, are you ready, guys? I'm ready. Alright, so let's marinate our chicken. I'm going to put some smoked paprika, then some ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for some umami flavor. Then I'm gonna add some acid, some lime juice, sugar, preferably brown sugar, a clove of garlic, salt, and pepper. Now, if you want to taste it more garlicky, you can add more garlic. So let's rest it at least for an hour. So it is always better to marinate our chicken the day before, or at least 24 hours, to maximize the taste of our marinade. It will be a lot more tastier, alright? Let's prepare our apple coleslaw. This is not gonna be the normal coleslaw since we're gonna use apples in it. So now let's cut the apples. Let's slice it julienne. Just the same with our red onions and lettuce. And now I'm gonna dress it with some lemon juice, mayo, salt, and pepper. And of course, I will add this beautiful, amazing, and super delicious gochujang paste. This is from Korea. If you haven't tried this one, you gotta try this because it's so delicious and it really adds a nice kick. But not only that, it also adds a really nice taste from fermented chilies. Okay, then I'm gonna heat up one pan, drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and then pan grill our chicken until caramelized and cooked through. Then we're gonna brush it while we cook our chicken. Let's pan grill our chicken in a medium heat to avoid from drying. You can also grill or char grill our chicken for better smoky flavor. Well, if you don't like to eat the skin of the chicken, you can just grill it with the skin on and remove it later on when it's cooked. It adds a very nice or extra moisture to our chicken, and also it protects our chicken from drying out. So I toasted some of the buns on the same pan where we cooked our chicken and assembled our burger. Also, feel free to put some more stuffs into your burger. You can add some more veggies, bacon, or even cheese. But for my personal preference, I'd like to make it less and simple. And that is how you make the most delicious chicken Tocino burger to die for. I hope you like our video for today. I'm gonna leave you with our B-roll. So Aldred, hit it.